Hello everyone. Today we will explore the process of building a beautiful structure from the ground up. Against a backdrop of lush green mountains, a man and a woman work side by side, their coordination essential to moving heavy pre-cut timbers. They carefully lift the first massive upright, guiding it to the prepared foundation on the ground. The true craftsmanship of this project is immediately evident as they assemble the frame using the traditional mortise and tenon method. A crossbar is lifted, and its precisely shaped dowel is inserted into the mortise of the upright. A few sharp taps with a hammer ensure a tight, secure fit without the need for metal screws. They repeat this process methodically, lifting another upright and connecting each section of the structure. The woman, displaying impressive strength and determination, assists in lifting and aligning each heavy part. As the frame of the house grew taller, the men climbed a crude wooden ladder to install the upper beams, joining the posts together to form the complete skeleton of their new home. This skill was evident in the way the joints fitted together, creating a sturdy, self-supporting structure. At key moments, other members of their community joined in, using their strength to lift the heaviest crossbeams into place. With the sturdy wooden frame of the new house, the man and woman work in unison to lay the floorboards. Barefoot and focused, they kneel on the raised platform, the hammers creating a steady rhythm as they nail each board, securing it to the beams below. They meticulously place each board, their movements coordinated and efficient. The woman picks up more of the prepared boards, carrying them to the work area, where the man helps lay them. Soon the entire platform is covered, forming a sturdy, beautiful wooden floor under the newly installed red roof. Their work then moves from the upper structure to the ground below. With heavy picks, they begin digging a shallow rectangular pit adjacent to the new house, preparing the ground for the next phase of construction. The man brings a wheelbarrow filled with large, round stones and dumps them into the excavated area. The women skillfully arrange them, first building a solid perimeter before carefully filling in the inside to form a solid stone foundation. They add layers of stones, ensuring the foundation is compacted and stable. Once the stone layer is complete, they pour wet concrete on top using wheelbarrows. Using picks and shovels, they skillfully spread the mixture, filling in the gaps between the stones. The result is a solid, level layer of concrete, a new functional space that is slowly taking shape right next to their handmade home. The man, perched on a ladder, works in unison with the woman to install and hammer the cross braces into place. Their coordination is seamless as they lift long wooden beams, placing them into the ridge beams to form a sturdy frame for the roof. The man then climbs high, standing on top of the structure with confidence and skill, hammering each beam into place. With the frame complete, they begin to install the roof. The woman lifts large sheets of corrugated iron, handing them to the man, who carefully spreads them over the rafters. They work methodically, sheet by sheet, until the house is completely sheltered from the elements. The project then extends to the construction of the front porch. Together, they dig deep holes in the ground, install new vertical posts, and secure them securely with a newly mixed gravel and concrete mixture, demonstrating the dedication to traditional craftsmanship that define their entire project. They worked together, first framing the windows, then building the porch railing, her steady hands supporting each post as he hammered it into place. The project expanded as they began framing the new covered extension to the porch. Each climbed a ladder, hoisting heavy beams into the air and connecting them to form the new structure. Even as a light rain began to fall, they persevered. The man climbed the high beams of the new frame, deftly placing the cross beams that supported the roof. Their cooperation was evident as they began to roof the extension. The woman lifts large corrugated iron sheets, hands them to the man, who balances them with incredible agility, hoists them onto the roof, and carefully places each one. For the final pieces, she uses a long pole from the ground to push the boards into place while he secures them from above. Piece by piece, the extension is closed, adding a new private space to their handmade home, a testament to their skill, resilience, and harmonious cooperation. While the man sits on the rafters, the woman brings up the roofing material. He then hammers it into place. Finally, they install a black mesh over a high opening near the top of the roof. And that's it. See you in the next construction videos.